Picture this. You're walking casually when suddenly a football slams straight into your groin. Instantly, you're paralyzed by an overwhelming wave of pain. You can't speak. You can't breathe. But why does getting hit in the testicles hurt more than almost anything else? To understand this unbearable pain, we need to look at male anatomy. The testicles are located outside the body, suspended in the scrotum. This design isn't random. It helps keep sperm cool. But being outside the body also means they're dangerously exposed to impact. Testicles are one of the most sensitive parts of the male body. They contain thousands of densely packed nerve endings. Even the lightest tap can sting. But a sudden, sharp impact? That triggers a shock wave of agony that the body and brain aren't quite equipped to handle. When struck, pain receptors called nociceptors in the testicles fire off intense signals to the brain. But unlike a stubbed toe, this pain doesn't stay in one place. It radiates through the abdomen, groin, and sometimes even into the lower back. So why does it spread? It's because testicles share nerve pathways with the stomach and lower torso. Specifically, nerves like the inguinal and genitofemoral connect them. This causes referred pain, where your brain can't tell the source, so your entire midsection feels like it's on fire. This intense nerve reaction doesn't stop at pain. The shock can trigger nausea, dizziness, cold sweats, even vomiting. That's your autonomic nervous system going haywire. It's a full-body alarm response to a very localized injury, and it's hardwired into your brain. It doesn't end with physical pain. Many men experience panic, fear, or even embarrassment after a hit. That's no coincidence. Evolution has taught us to guard the testicles. Damaging them can affect reproduction, so your brain treats even minor injuries as serious threats. You might ask, why would evolution leave something so critical this vulnerable? Why are testicles outside the body when ovaries are safely tucked inside? It's not poor design. It's a necessary compromise for reproduction, and it's all about temperature. Sperm require cooler conditions than the body's core temperature. That's why testicles dangle in the scrotum, nature's version of a climate control system. Muscles around them tighten or loosen to regulate heat, but that also makes them easy targets for trauma. The price of optimal sperm production is exposure. Testicles have minimal protection, no bones, just skin and soft tissue. A hard enough hit can rupture them or twist the spermatocord. These injuries aren't just painful, they can threaten fertility or even require surgery. If testicular pain doesn't ease after an hour, or if there's swelling, bruising, or vomiting, it could be an emergency. One such condition is testicular torsion, a twisted cord that cuts off blood supply. Without quick surgery, the testicle can be permanently damaged. So when someone gets hit and crumples to the ground, it's not an exaggeration. The testicles may be small, but their pain response is massive. You're seeing the result of millions of years of evolution shouting, "Protect the future of the species." What's more, the trauma doesn't always end when the pain fades. Some men report long-term anxiety or even PTSD after severe injuries. It's a deep, primal fear tied to losing control, enduring extreme pain, and risking reproductive function all at once. Interestingly, those same nerves that cause sharp pain also carry pleasure signals. The testicles play a role in sexual stimulation. This dual sensitivity means they're tuned for both reproduction and reward, but also for alarm when things go wrong. So why does it hurt so badly? Because biology made the testicles a top priority. From evolutionary pressure to nerve overload, everything about them is designed to respond quickly and loudly to danger. That means pain. Sharp, unforgettable, stomach-turning pain. Next time you see someone get hit in the groin and drop like a rock, don't laugh too hard. Their reaction is real and rooted in millions of years of biology. It's not just funny, it's science. Protect your future, fellas. And maybe wear a cup.